Hey guys, you maybe just saw my review on the Dayan Guhong. Now here's a QJ 2x2. I got this at Speedcube Shop USA .com, and I got it. It was on sale for $3.50, and all the rest were like $7.50. So I decided to just get this with shipping. It was another $3, but yeah, that's not too much. I can see why it was on sale for $3.50. They probably weren't selling very many because this is not a good cube at all. It cuts corners just awful. It locks up and it's not very good. Here. Okay. For corner cutting, put it right there. You can see. Cannot go. As for reverse corner cutting, you can put it. It does not go anywhere. I lubed this with silicone. Like, I put a ton in. Like, I put some in the first time and it didn't turn out very good. And put a lot in the second time and it's smooth and all. Like, sometimes you can get it so this green goes almost all the way around. Like, yeah, there. It went 3/4 of the way. But yeah, corner cutting's awful, so you have to line them up perfectly before doing anything on the cube. Yeah, I would not recommend this cube. Like, if you want a good 2x2, I know the East Sheen, the Lion Lion, and the V Cube are all good. Yeah, Lion Lion, I've seen people go about there and they can still cut the corners. And on this, it's like, nope. If you want to see the inside of this cube, it's got these things. I guess they'd be like edges on a 3x3 or something. These little black arches. It's basically the inside of a Rubik's pocket cube, but I mean, here, let me snap this back into place, and then if you're just looking for a 2x2 cube, sure, go ahead and get it, but if you're looking for a good 2x2 cube, no, do not get this cube. It's better than Rubik's Pocket Cube, but it's worse than pretty much any other 2x2. And there we go. Okay. Here's my Guhong, and here's the size comparison. Like, the Guhong is the exact same size as a Rubik's Cube 3x3, if you're wondering. And then, yeah, so this 2x2 is almost a 3x3 size. So it's pretty big. I do not recommend this cube. Save your money and get a better 2x2, I guess. Unless you just want a 2x2. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Comment, rate, subscribe.